Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Dis+W. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 students. My dear students, our today's topic chapter 9 discussion plus word meaning. Today's lecture number 8 and SW number 7. My dear students, now start our class. This is chapter 9 and the chapter name is energy. Energy comes in different forms such as light, electricity and heat. We use energy in everything we do. Can we find the uses of energy in the picture below? My dear students, see this figure. Here given a picture, and from this figure we can see that there are many uses of energy. Okay, now go to next page. We use light, electricity and heat as energy in different situations. Okay, underline this line: light, electricity and heat energy. Okay, now we'll discuss about this energy. Light is energy that helps us to see. Light is energy that helps us to see. Without light we could not see the things around us. We use light to make our room bright. We get light from fires, candles and many other sources. The main source of light energy is sun. Okay, the main source of light energy is sun. Underline this one. Plants make food and oxygen by using sunlight. My dear students, underline also this line. Plants make food and oxygen by using sunlight. Without sunlight, crops and other plants cannot grow. Now see this figure. Here given the uses of light energy. Okay, in this picture given that the uses of light energy. Now electricity. Electricity is a form of energy that we can use to run appliances. Electricity is a form of energy that we can use to run appliances. Electricity comes from batteries or outlets in our house. We use electricity to turn on the light bulb and fan, to watch TV, to listen the radio and to play with toy cars. Like this, we also use electricity to run refrigerators or computers. Now, heat. Heat is energy that makes things warm. Okay, underline also this line. We use heat energy in cooking food, drying clothes and keeping warm. We can get heat energy from burning wood, coal, oil and gas. We can produce heat by rubbing two things such as our hands. The sun is a powerful source of heat. The sun warms air, water and land on the earth. Now go to next page. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. My dear students, underline also this line. Energy is the ability to do work. We can do many things using energy. When we turn on a radio, we can listen to news. For music, we can news or music. We can boil water and cook food by using fires. Now, next page. Electricity can light a lamp and make the room bright. When we bring our hands close to the light, we feel warm. This means that light can produce heat. Okay, underline also this line and you have to memorize that underlined line. Light can produce heat. Energy can mainly do four things: move something, make a sound, produce light and heat. Okay, underline also this line. Okay, now moving something. Energy can move something. Fans spin around by using electricity. A toy car can also move by using the electricity of a battery. Heat energy can move something as well. When we heat the water, steam comes out. Steam trains and ships can move by using the power of steam. So my dear students, see this figure here. This is a steam train and this is the playing with a toy car. And this car and steam train also using electricity. Okay, now producing light. Energy can produce light. Energy can produce light. Underline this line. A lamp and torch give off light by using electricity. When we turn on TV, we can see images because the TV emits light. Heat energy can also produce light. Heat energy can also produce light. When we burn a matchstick, we get both light and heat. Underline this line. Producing heat. Energy can make heat. Electric lamp give off lights as well as heat by using electricity. Burning candles give off light and heat as well. Electrical energy can also produce heat. My dear students, underline also this line. And when we iron clothes, we use the heat produced by electricity. Okay, now see this figure. This is a TV or monitor, and this is to run by using electricity. Okay, now go to next page. Now we'll solve exercise. First of all, fill in the blanks. Heat, electricity and light are, what will be the correct answer? My dear students, it will be energy. Okay, heat, electricity and light are energy. Number 2, television runs using dash energy. Television runs using electrical energy. So write electrical energy. Number 3, plants prepare their food by using sunlight. It will be sunlight. Okay. Plants prepare their food by using sunlight. Number 4, we get dash and dash by burning a matchstick. That means it will be we get light and heat by burning a matchstick. So write light and heat. Okay, my dear students, I am repeating. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Heat, electricity and light are energy. Number 2, television runs using electrical energy. Number 3, plants prepare their food by using sunlight. And number 4, we get light and heat by burning a matchstick. Now we solve matching. In the right side, here given the option heat, candle, energy, source of energy, and the left side here given light, heat and electricity, boiling water, sun, producing light and heat. Okay, my dear students, now we'll match. Heat will be matched with boiling water. Okay, heat will be matched with boiling water. Candle will be matched with producing light and heat. Okay, candle will be matched with producing light and heat. Energy will be matched with light, heat and electricity. And source of energy will be matched with sun. Okay, source of energy will be matched with sun. Okay, my dear students, now I will give you some word meanings from this chapter, and you have to memorize properly this word meaning. First word meaning, that is number 1, is electricity. Electricity means a form of energy that we can use to run appliances. A form of energy that we can use to run appliances. Light meaning a form of energy that we can see. Number 3, heat, a form of energy that makes things warm. Number 4, appliance. Appliance means a device, machine or piece of equipment, especially an electrical one that is used in the house. And number 5, emit. Emit means to send out a beam, noise, smell or gas. My dear students, I am repeating. Electricity means a form of energy that we can use to run appliances. Light means a form of energy that we can use. Number 3, heat means a form of energy that makes things warm. Appliance means a device, machine or piece of equipment, especially an electrical one that is used in the house. And number 5, emit. Emit means to send out a beam, noise, smell or gas. My dear students, your today's SW number is 7, and this word meaning, do this one as well as SW and submit it on Saturday. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic, memorize properly all word meaning. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.